What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we are unboxing the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. Now today is the 21st of September. I just got back in from being out of town, and when I come in, this was waiting for me, and rather than getting rest that I know that I need to get, I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing and give my first impressions of this. Now with this, let me reach over here real quick. I'm actually coming away from the Galaxy Tab 6. I have it in a case right now, but I'm coming from this, and we're gonna go into this Tab S7 unboxing. Let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all know the boxes always get me, so let's just find something real quick on this desk that I can just quickly get into. Get it right there. Get it right there. Alright, let's go ahead and lift that box up. Right off the top, we got the tablet. So let's pull this out. We'll set that over there. And as you've seen with all the other unboxing videos, you have your charger, there's a charging cable, and here will be some booklets. They'll even give you a tray ejection tool. I do have, oh, and of course the S Pen, but just for y'all to know which variant I have, I got the 128 gig Wi-Fi version. And the reason why I got this, a couple of reasons. One, I didn't really need network data on this. I always have my phone, so if there's an opportunity where I need to get into Wi-Fi, I can just use the hotspot on my phone. And then two, the storage space. The storage on here is 128 gigabytes. I just didn't see the need to shell out that extra cash to go to 256 or higher. And since it does have a SIM tray or a SIM card slot, ended up getting with this one right here. This is the Evo Select Samsung 256 gig cards. You can use pretty much any micro USB or micro USB card. I will tell you this though, the lower the grade of these cards, the more you run the risk of having damaged data on your card. So you might want to spend a little bit of money to get a better brand. I just went with this one because at the time that I got this one was $29.99. But we'll set that to the side, and let's go ahead and get into this with my first impression. Oh, here from the other side. We'll go from the other side. Man, first it's the boxes that troll me. Now Samsung's trolling me with this mesh, whatever this is. Man, so the first impression of this, let me turn it over. I know I already got fingerprints on it, but this thing feels extremely premium. Like especially compared to the Tab S6 that I have, this thing feels extremely premium. Like this is pretty amazing. And I also like that Samsung put the camera up here instead of on one of these ends here. But you can see like just metal bezel all the way around, stereo speakers. This bad boy is also going to have that 120 refresh rate on here, so it should be buttery smooth transitions going in between screens. And then of course, again, like I said, you have the S Pen, and the S Pen will just fit right there and it'll start charging. So this is going to be for the Tab S7 Plus. I'm going to set this right here because we got another box. I've already started getting it right here because you know how the boxes do me on this channel. But let me go ahead, turn it this way. See, look, the box is already trying to get me. So Samsung gave a credit when you ordered the product from them. Let me take this off and show you what I got. I'm making a mess. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not like most of the YouTubers just because of the desk space. But this is the MOGA XP5-X. So this controller ended up being $35 because of the credit that they gave for doing the pre-order through the Samsung website. So for those of you that have Xbox Game Pass and you have like a Samsung Note or even the S series phone, I mean, I believe the Game Pass utility or application will work on most Android devices that are at least, is it 8.0 or and higher? I don't know. All I know is they sent me this for 35 bucks. I think this is normally 70, so, or it's 60. I don't know. I just know it was 35 bucks. So I ended up getting this, and I think this is an extra added benefit because now I don't have to desync one of my Xbox controllers to play Call of Duty, which I do play Call of Duty on my devices. I can just use this and be done with it. So let's go ahead and, I mean, it's going to be the standard side or standard style Xbox gaming controller. Man. And for those of you that know me, y'all know that me unboxing this was it was something. And those of you that know, you know. And if you don't know, then it's all good. We'll never discuss that story on here. Or we might one day. But let's go ahead and open this up. And just off of the first feel of this, it fit, like, I like the grippiness of this controller here. It has two buttons that I just realized. So those are two mappable buttons there. This thing feels pretty good. I mean, the buttons are nice, clicky, tactile, responsive. Oh, that's a switch. Yeah, this thing feels real good. And then, of course, you're gonna have this device here, which will hold your phone. So once I have my note in here some kind of way, I'm sorry, my phone keeps beeping. That's my notification sound. But once I have this set up in here, then we'll be good to go on that. Oh, and I turned it on. Didn't mean to do that, but oh well, it's all good. And of course on the bottom, you'll have the cables that you need to charge, as well as the instructions. We'll set this over here for now because we got one more package to rip open. Let me go ahead and rip open this off camera because boxes, tapes, Amazon packaging, they all troll me all the time. So I'm pretty sure y'all are tired of seeing me getting trolled. But here you have it, folks. This is the ZTOP, so Z-Top. I don't know what that is, but this is the case that I got for the Tab S7. So let's tear into it real quick. Okay, we're back. So this is the folio case, and of course this case is reminiscent of the cases when the iPads first started coming out. Y'all remember those, like those first generation ones, where you had the little flap here that you could fold back some kind of way to set up your tablet? And opening up this, you can see that you have a space right here. This will store your S Pen. So let's go ahead. Let's get the tablet out. I'm gonna put it in there. Is it going? And we back again. So this is the tablet inside the folio case. It's real. Now when you put this, with this particular case, when you put the tablet in there, just make sure you push down on it pretty good. But this is how it looks, and then you'll get your S Pen. You'll put that on like that, and you're good to go. And then when you have it open, let's see. When you have it open, it'll stand up like this, which is cool. You can do some work. And then you can actually put your S Pen right there. So once the S Pen is charged up, you don't have to keep it on the back of here. And and it still folds. Look at that. It still folds perfectly. I've seen a lot of videos where the YouTuber was complaining about the S Pen being back here when it's charging and you're carrying it around. I mean, come on now. We are at the point now where you know this thing is going to have the S Pen on the outside of its, of its body. So if it knocks off, just pay attention to where it goes, pick it up, and put it back on. It's not that difficult. I mean, it's the same thing with the Apple Pencil. I don't care how strong that magnet is. If it falls off, it falls off. Pick it up, put it back on. But yeah, this is it here for the that folio case, and I really like this case. I know that Samsung and others make cases that has the keyboard on there, but I'm one of those people that like I like the full keyboard with the 10 key on there. So once I start doing work from this, I'll definitely get a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to go with this. And of course, Samsung DeX is just the topping on the cake. There it is, folks. My general first impression and unboxing of the Samsung Tab S7 Plus, this folio case, and this controller that I got through them on a deal. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. Of course, official family, I thank you first because you always support me. If you're not a part of the official family, you can do so by subscribing to the channel and then clicking on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, this is Official Keith. You are now official, and we will see you later. Have a good day.